a beautiful sunset tonight. A nice fall send-off before tomorrow's strike of winter.
Yeah, pretty nice night out there. Still pretty quiet, albeit a touch breezy. A live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Skycam, part of the Storm Team Skycam network. Traffic moving along nicely. Maybe a different story as we head through this time tomorrow evening. Temperatures have just been slowly falling after topping around 58 today. We're down to 51. Winds out of the south and southeast at around 10 miles per hour. Temperatures elsewhere, a mix of some 40s and some 50s, right at 50 in Jamestown, 41 in Bemidji, 43 Baudette, also 43 in the Wadena area. Winds southerly and southeasterly tonight, and that's how they're going to stay. Now, tomorrow, those winds shift around to the north and northwest. That will bring in some much colder air, and those winds will increase. Could see those winds gusting as high as 50 to 60 miles per hour. A lot of cloudiness out there, and that's what we're going to see as we head through the overnight hours tonight, through the day tomorrow, right on into Friday. Late Friday, though, we should start to see a bit of sunshine. A little bit of activity showing up on the radar, and a lot of that not reaching the ground, but can't rule out some isolated sprinkles overnight tonight, primarily in the northern portions of the valley. Northern Plains quiet, but activity off to our north and the northwest. That storm will slide off towards the southeast and impact our area as we head through the day Thursday and early Friday. We'll show that to you in the hour-by-hour forecast. Southerly winds continue tonight. Then the activity starts to make its way across the border, first in the form of rain, but on the backside of that system, quickly changing over to snow. So you have rain for a brief period. It quickly changes over to snow. A lot of wind. Those winds, again, gusting as high as 50 to perhaps 60 miles per hour. Temperatures plummeting as we head through tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. Snowfall amounts, not huge amounts, but the wind is going to make it a big problem. Visibilities will be drastically reduced as the snow falls. These numbers not set in stone. We could see lesser amounts in this area. We could see higher amounts in this area. This may shift either north or south, so keep it tuned to the latest forecast. Suffice it to say, we're going to see some accumulating snow across the area, and those winds will make it very tricky in terms of travel later in the day. Winter storm watch continues for Thursday on into Friday. High wind warning in the areas that will see the lesser amounts of snow. High wind watch in northeastern South Dakota. For us here in Fargo, we'll start off with cloudy skies, temperatures in the mid-40s. Then we'll start to see maybe a rain-snow mix by your lunch hour. And later on in the day, that rain changes over to snow to become very windy. Temperatures in the upper 30s, wind chills in the teens and 20s. Picture of the day. Sunset silhouette in Hankinson. Thanks so much to Barbara for sending that in. Going to use that as the backdrop to our 7-day forecast. And again, tomorrow, rain changing to snow, very windy. Some morning snow possible, especially in our eastern counties on Friday. Quiet over the weekend. A few more snow showers possible Monday. And again on Halloween. Is this going to be the biggest snowstorm we've ever seen? Well, no, but it will likely impact travel in many locations late tomorrow into tomorrow night.
And it's always important to remember those safety rules when you're driving. Yeah. Everybody kind of freaks out when they're first seeing that first snowfall.
And with temperatures falling tomorrow, keep in mind that those bridges and overpasses will freeze first and then the roadways later on in the evening.
Good to know. Thanks, Robert.
You got it.